5 biggest lies about India, spread by foreign media. With facts before we begin, if you care about facts more than headlines and context more than viral narratives, subscribe to this channel. Now let's talk honestly. Narrative control. Most people don't hate India. They just see India through the same headlines again and again. This is how narrative control works. You don't change reality. You repeat one angle of reality until it becomes the full picture. And when it comes to India, a few claims are repeated so often that they're rarely questioned. So let's question them, one by one. Lie 1. India is becoming a dictatorship. This is the base narrative. Foreign media often claims India's democracy is dying, but facts matter. India has 900 plus million voters. Elections are held regularly, national and state. Opposition parties rule in multiple states. Governments change through votes. Indian media criticizes the government daily. Courts overturn government decisions. Protests happen openly. A simple question: can a country be a dictatorship when its leaders are publicly challenged every day? Disagreement with a government is not the end of democracy. Lie 2. India is unsafe for minorities. This narrative relies on selective incidents. One video, one headline, no context. India is home to all major religions. Its constitution guarantees freedom of religion. Minorities vote, protest, work, and hold public office. A basic but ignored fact: India has the 3rd largest Muslim population in the world, and it continues to grow. No country is perfect, but isolated incidents do not define a nation of 1.4 billion people. Lie 3. India is poor, backward, and uneducated. Foreign media often shows only poverty. Poverty exists, that's true, but that's not the whole truth. India is the 5th largest economy globally. It runs the largest digital ID system in the world. It handles billions of digital payments every month. Indian engineers, doctors, and professionals work across the globe and lead major companies. Poverty and progress can exist together. Showing only one side creates a false image. Lie 4. India copies, it doesn't innovate. When India succeeds, coverage becomes quiet. India landed a spacecraft near the moon's south pole, first ever. Its space missions are among the most cost-efficient globally. India launches satellites for other countries. From software to vaccines to space technology, India builds its own systems. Low cost doesn't mean low quality. It often means smarter execution. Lie 5. India has no global influence. This claim ignores reality. India plays a key role in global forums. It represents the global south. It has the largest diaspora in the world, influencing technology, business, and culture abroad. Weak countries are ignored. Rising, independent countries are questioned. India is not invisible. It's just inconvenient to simplify. And the biggest lie about India is that it can be understood through one headline. If you agree, comment fact. If you disagree, comment propaganda. And if you want more videos that focus on context, not noise, subscribe to this channel.